Oh yeah, hi, I'm live.
Ready? This is the final episode of Monitor TR. The very last one.
Can't fit him in there.
Which one's the loose? I'm stealing this.
No. You have other times not to steal it. Don't steal the screw.
The fan sounds lovely.
Uh-oh, it's falling in.
Obviously, we know this elevator very well.
Last time James almost will ever be in it.
You get to continue its legacy.
For one more year.
And there's our stuff. One more? Do it. I found out this was originally a Seaberg. The middle school was a Seaberg.
I have a duck. You said you were going to do a no fan ride.
I don't know if I have my key. I don't think I do. I forgot to bring it.
Yeah, couldn't do.
Oh. As you can tell. As you can tell, it's a very plain hallway.
What?
Lantern. The fan's making this weird noise.
The rattling fan.
It wasn't doing that before. Okay.
The old famous indicator.
And there's our stuff. It's got a similar door track. Oh shit. It just blocked my view. Last day of school. It's been fun. And it'll be the very last time I will see this elevator. I'm gonna miss it. It's been a good ride. I enjoyed it. That's it. Press the button for me. Place is here. No, close the door.
Never figure out what James says. That's nice.
Everything.
Just
Manuals.
manuals, sausage triangles, 1889.
Silly. Okay, just close the door. Let's put one against the door. And the one standing up. No, this one's standing up.
That one just face down.
Yeah, let's keep it. No, it's not working. Alright. Here we go. It's everything.
Oh, that was gonna fall.
Yeah, let's do a manual push. Why is the door not closing? There we go.
James's manual antics. Absolutely amazing.
Please see manual. Please see elevator manual.
Please contrast.
And I think that's all we need.